everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm back with another crypto tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Watch the video till the end in order to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to buy a cryptocurrency using a Coinbase app on your iPhone, then here's how to do it. Tap open your Coinbase app from the app drawer. Make sure that you are logged into your Coinbase account. If you don't have an account yet for Coinbase, then you need to create a new account first. If you don't know how to do that, then check the description box. I've linked a tutorial video on how you can easily sign up or register for your Coinbase. But right now, let's move ahead with the tutorial. From the home page of Coinbase that looks like this, tap on the buy button with a plus icon in it. Soon after you do that, you'll need to select the asset that you'd like to purchase. Remember that whenever you're trying to buy or sell a crypto on Coinbase, you'll need to be first verified. Complete the verification process in order to be able to trade with cryptocurrencies. Right where it says select assets to buy, select your asset. In today's video, since we are buying Bitcoin on Coinbase, let's tap on the BTC option at the top. Now, enter the amount that you like to buy denominated in crypto or your local currency by typing in with the help of the keypad. Once you type it in, if you've not set a payment method yet, tap on add a payment method, select credit card or debit card option, or if you have any other payment method, you can go ahead and select that option as well. Go ahead and type in your name, your card number, expiration date, CVC number, and your postal code, and tap on add card in order to add a payment method. If you've already added a payment method, simply select one and tap on preview buy at the bottom. Soon after you do that, if your details are correct, you'll be able to buy Bitcoin with Coinbase right away. That is how you can easily buy Bitcoin with the help of Coinbase app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.